Hi, in this video, you will learn 5 easy tips to help you grow stronger and healthier nails. Tip number 1. To avoid infections and brittleness, keep your nails dry and clean. Tip number 2. Wear gloves and stay away from tools to protect your nails from household chemicals and tasks. Tip number 3. Consume a nutritious, well-balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, such as biotin-rich foods like eggs and sweet potatoes and iron-rich foods like leafy greens, red meat, and beans. Tip number 4. Avoid biting your nails to prevent infection and weakening over time. Tip number 5. Use nail strengthening products like cuticle oil with biotin, keratin, and vitamin E to strengthen your nails. Alternately, you can make your own nail strengthening oil by combining 1/4 cup of almond oil and 1/4 cup of jojoba oil with 10 drops of lemon and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Your homemade nail strengthening oil is now complete and ready to use. You may have healthy, attractive nails for many years if you follow these suggestions. Click the link in the description below to save a printable recipe card for future use. Thanks for watching.